Happy March, everybody. This is Good Time Gal. Today is March 4th, 2025. It is National Pound Cake Day. Yes. If you are a Southern Baptist or just a Southern person in general, a pound cake is a traditional cake that graces every table during the holidays. And sometimes it's just nice to have some pound cake with some coffee and some tea. My grandmother had a wonderful lemon pound cake, and my mom makes this really delicious sour cream pound cake. And she showed me the recipe, so now I'm gonna show it to you. A little fun fact, my mom, her recipes are also published in cookbooks as well. This is one of my favorite cookbooks. It's called Someone's in the Kitchen in New Hope. It's a home cooking from your spiritual roots. You can get it. It is for sale, but I've had this for so long. I think I've had this since like the 80s, it's been forever. But I'm gonna read off the ingredients. So you need a cup of margarine softened, you need half a cup of butter softened, you need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, you need 3 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, 3 cups of flour, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We have all of that. So let's begin. I think this is gonna be fun. Pound cake is pretty simple, right? It's not a hard cake to do. It's just very straightforward, very thought out. So we're gonna do that, okay? So the first thing is we want to mix our first 3 ingredients. So our first 3 ingredients is the margarine, the butter, and the cream cheese, okay? So here goes 1. Let's set my flour aside. Get all the butter. If you notice, I've already softened it. So usually what I do is I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds, because butter and cheese, you don't really have to warm them up any longer. So then the cream cheese. This is a traditional pound cake. There is coconut pound cake. Yes, coconut pound cake. There is lemon zest pound cake. Traditionally, most Southern women enjoy a lemon pound cake because the sponge texture is really delicious. It's a delicious cake. I like to eat mine with ice cream. So yummy, so flavorful. All right, so now we're gonna whip these together. And now my next move is to gradually add the sugar. Now, because it's getting thick, that's how you know it's ready for the next phase. You look at it, it's a lovely batter, but we're not done. So this is when we add those 6 eggs. Gonna be for 2-pound cakes instead of 1, which is a pleasant surprise. So I have this pan, and then I have this pan. The butter wrappers that I just used, I'm going to line them as such. then I'm going to sprinkle with sugar as requested. Per instructions. I'm going to be putting these in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And then I will with the beauty of movie magic, one of our pound cakes is done. The issue that we had is that we only were able to fill it up so high. So when we cook the other pound cake for 45 minutes, we actually wanted to cook this one a little longer or a little shorter. So this is what it came out. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to our first pound cake. He is a little flat because he's not a full thick pound cake, but I want to cut him open anyway. Oh yes, this is a nice, that sponge is perfect. See that sponge? I smelled it. It smells divine. And then I said, I want ice cream. If I can open it. Oh my goodness. The struggle was real. The struggle was very real. I have drove somebody crazy by sticking this fork in this ice cream, didn't I? Well, You deserve it. No. So I'll put some there. All right, let's try it. We'll try some. It's good. The sour cream has a really good consistency. Somebody marry me. All right. Well, this is all the time we have today. Happy Pound Cake Day.